family. It's Herbalist Viola. I'm at another farm this time. Yeah, I'm gonna be traveling around with Ed and Kayla. We're gonna be working different farms. Right now we're taking care of hibiscus plants. Oh, I was out there. You see Ed in the background. He's out there taking a lawnmower and cutting down the rest of the stuff that we cut down. And just to kind of help. I'm gonna walk over a little bit. I'm actually taking a break. So you can kind of see me looking crazy. Yeah, I'm worn out, you guys. I'm worn out. I'm gonna take more pictures later. But yeah, if y'all wanna know about the hibiscus, I'm gonna go out there. If y'all talking about losing weight, age, I know y'all need to take some hibiscus tea. Ooh, it helps with, look, prevention of cancer, study shows. So if y'all suffering from cancer, y'all gotta get the hibiscus. It's one of those hidden herbs, I can say, if you not used to it. But I'm gonna take you over there. It's just that I'm just taking my break. Matter of fact, let me get my boots on, you guys. Ooh, I done borrowed my daughter's boots. Yeah, hey, I'm talking TMI. See, I got my camel pack. Never leave home without your camel pack. Yeah, never leave home without your camel pack. But we're gonna go over here and talk to Ed for a little bit. The hibiscus, I talked about it before. I was telling y'all about the having it as a tea and, you know, using it for your face, but it, you know, helps with your skin, you know, helps with high blood pressure, lowering your high blood pressure, maintaining your high blood pressure. But there's so many wonderful things that hibiscus does. I mean, we talking about you depressed, get you some hibiscus tea, you know. There's a whole bunch of other ways you can use the hibiscus, but I just want to show you. You guys see it? I know Ed's in the background, but I just want y'all to see. Y'all can see what we cleaned. Yeah. So, but yeah, isn't she a beauty? Oh yeah, so we just in here cleaning up. Just getting it in. You see it? We about to put the tarp down. You can see the irrigation system. They got it straight from a pump. Yeah, when they planted it, they didn't put down the tarp. So now we're gonna put the tarp down. So for future, you guys make sure y'all put the tarp down. But I just want to show you the beautiful hibiscus plant. You see it? But yeah, this is what we've been working on. Yeah, I'm actually feeling dizzy. So you guys, y'all make sure y'all drink water. Drink a lot of water, because it's sun. It's 100 degrees. It's 100 degrees, but I'm getting my sweat on. I'm getting that free vitamin D because I want to kill all them parasites that I didn't kill. Y'all hear me? I'm talking about them parasites. But look, go out there and get your free vitamin D. So that's what I'm doing. So, but look, it's Herbalist Viola. I'm getting my farming on. Yes, I want hands-on. So, since they want to ban some stuff, you know, I gotta find a different supply. So now Ed's gonna be my supplier. Yeah, I put it out, but y'all don't know where this farm is. But just wanted to tell y'all the hibiscus. Yes. Yes, isn't it beautiful? So it's rows. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. You know how much money? And look, Mother Nature. You take your time and take care of things with love, and you reap the benefits. It's all about reaping the benefits. It's all about, you know, saving that money. And this is making money. And look, and all you do is use sweat equity. I know a lot of people don't want to use sweat equity, but it's about using sweat equity and just get out here and, you know, you see how I'm dressed. I don't even care. I got my crazy gloves. You know, it's all about just getting out and helping the community. So right now I'm helping him. I don't mind. Sweat equity. We just see, and I get this to do some free filming, and then I learn. So this is free education. You know, I'm always talking about free. I get my steps. I get my exercise. I'm sweating. You know, get that lymphatic system going. You know, I'm losing weight. What else I'm doing? I'm doing so many things. I'm happy. Look, I'm singing. I'm enjoying. I had some music playing in the background. Just enjoying the beautiful nature. Y'all see how beautiful? Look at the earth. This is Mother Nature. It's Mother Nature. And yeah, we're in the middle of a pandemic, and now they talking about the planes. Yeah, that's a whole other story. And you know I got to put that in. But look, family, plant something. I don't care what it is. Make sure it's beneficial to you. Make sure it take care of you. You know, it don't have to be hibiscus. It doesn't have to be the hibiscus, but that's what we're doing today. This is like a hemp farm. So they sell hemp. They got bees. They got bees. If you see, like way in the back, I was actually sitting next to where they have bees. So they sell honey, tea. They sell it all. They sell it all. So you just see Ed in the background. I'm gonna let y'all see Ed. Dynamite brother. Outstanding brother. So that's my new brother. So all right, family. You guys have a good day. Bye. Let me go help. Bye.